PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at Bitcoin over here. It is still holding the level which we marked out in yesterday's video. You can see how many times we've interacted with this level in the past. Many times in 2021 and 2022. One time in 2024 as resistance and yesterday as support. We also came down to the 61.8% fib measured from our January low up to our local top in March. And we also have 3 touch points within a bullish descending broadening wedge pattern. So this is your first touch point, second, third, and then you have 3 to the downside as well. So everything is lining up for a expansion out of this range. You can see what a bullish descending broadening wedge pattern looks like. This is what it looks like over here. And if we go here on the 4-hour time frame, we are coming up to reset the momentum of this chart, because whenever you have a lot of momentum in one side of the market, you're going to see a move in the opposing direction. You can think of it like a pendulum. So if the pendulum is moved to one side of the market too much, it's going to come back in the opposing direction just to reset and rebalance the chart. This is what a pendulum looks like. So you go too much one way, you're going to come back the other way, right? So this over here would be the equilibrium. So just to rebalance this chart over here. So it wouldn't surprise me we see a move up to the 21 and 50 period moving average on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so we have already hit, we're already above the 10 period, holding support above it at around 54,553. Wouldn't surprise me we go ahead and tag the 21 and 50 on the 4 hours, sitting at 57,733 and 62,248. Okay. What I also notice is that we are printing hidden bullish divergence. Okay, so this is what hidden bullish divergence looks like. As you guys can see, we are making consecutive higher lows, but on the RSI, we are making lower lows. Okay, so basically in layman's terms, it's allowing the chart, although the chart is making lower lows here, it's allowing the chart more room to the upside because the RSI is slowly resetting itself into oversold conditions, right? So lower lows on the RSI, but higher lows on the price. This is what it looks like, hidden bullish divergence. Right over here, lower low on the indicator, higher low on the price. And we've been seeing that since October 2023. So everything is lining up perfectly. And as long as Bitcoin can stay above 49,467 and 46,884, then we have a good shot at having that breakout to the upside. Because remember, we only do see 4 waves over here, right? You have so I'm going to show you all of these waves over here from 2021. You have your 3-wave move down. You have your 3-wave move up, and then a 5-wave move to the downside. So this over here would be your A, this is your B, and then your C wave. And then we have a 5-wave move for our first wave. This is your WXY for your wave 2. And then we go ahead and start our wave 3. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your third wave. And then a bullish descending broadening wedge for your wave 4. Okay, coming down to the 61.8% fib and this psychological level over here, declining on hidden bullish divergence on the RSI. And the RSI, notice how the RSI is also printing a bull flag. Right? Wouldn't surprise me we see this RSI come back up here. Maybe see a little bit of a retrace and then continuation higher. Okay. Okay, so this is 3 right over here. going to show you over here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is our 4, and now we're going to come up for a 5th wave. Now, Bitcoin still looks good. Altcoins look good as long as Bitcoin can remain above previous support as resistance, sitting right here at 54,555, and you can see we're doing just that. So I do expect us to come up to this 21 and 50 period moving average on the 4 hour, so we can reset the chart and this momentum to the downside. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the Bitcoin video. This is where I would expect prices to move from here. Right over here. Okay, and we can also see USDT dominance is breaking down from our 1.236 and the 61.8% fib. Right over here. See how we just came up to this mitigation block over here? We came up to the 61.8% fib, the 1.236, and we formed a very nice topping tail here on the daily time frame yesterday. And then today we're seeing a break of structure. So this would be your break of structure because you've been making higher highs and higher lows here, right? But now we're making lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the Bitcoin video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.